Okay, hey everybody. Here we are on a Thursday evening together. The market is still very weak. Everything's been going down except for gold. Gold continues to rally, 383 almost. Crazy. Crazy. Let me get my account set up here. Let me get this unmuted. I want to hear how gold's doing. Let me get a bit of a profile. Get some music. How's everybody doing tonight? Roadrunner, you get your payout approved yet? AJ, what's up? Ray, how are we doing today? Did you wind up trading again, Ray? I know we just caught you. You showed up as I was finishing up. Yeah, working nights and all that kind of stuff. It's a lot. All right, so I have a new 50K XFA. So let's see. Oh, yeah, that's always usually a good sign. Once they take the money out, that's usually go time. So we're going to get lower here. We got weekly lower band. We got monthly lower band. You think gold's going to fade from here? That was kind of parabolic. Look at that move. Crazy. It went up all day and then just kind of had this blow off top of like $50. Oh, nice. The top one instant fundeds are really nice. I'm trading a 150K top one funded right now. I've gotten a bunch of payouts on them. So they're legit. They're good. So we're going to look to go short around here. I'm short at 49. NQ. Not trading gold quite yet. I like how NQ is selling off here. one mini. I'm gonna go to break even on this. See if I can catch a nice one. Oh man, what was that? So your drawdown does increase, yes. So what happens is, let's say your drawdown in the account is nice 4,500. Once you do 4,500 in profits, then it goes to zero. Look at this. What a fuego trade. Come on, dump it. Ah. Yeah, so if you have like $8,000 of profits in your XFA, you have $8,000 in drawdown, effectively. Man, I really want continuation. Really, really bad. I want it to just bleed out. Man, I nailed that short, huh? Immediately went green. Price discovery, continuation. Short. Yeah, you want to leave yourself a little buffer for sure. I tend to leave myself not much buffer. I take a lot of payouts that way, and I blow the accounts, but not on purpose. It just kind of happens. Come on. This thing needs to bleed. It's going to make me want to cover. I'm going to be patient. I'm up 20 points. I can't. I only have one mini. It's either closed or not. I can't take some profit. Either all or nothing. Gonna stop me out break even, isn't it? Little bastard. Little bastard. Can't fraction it. It's unfractionable. How about you guys are gonna start telling me to change all my trading ways now? All right, there'll be another trade, guys. I'll hammer it with 2 next time. hit it again. This time we'll do 2. That way I can scale out of 1. Still a price discovery continuation short. Hopefully it doesn't rip up from here. There's the touch, or pretty darn close at least. Well, there it goes. I did. I did follow the plan. Hopefully we still get a move down. Yeah, boot camp's gonna be a good time. Be a lot of cool guys there. A lot of good traders. A lot of VWAP talking. I can tell you that right now. You guys are gonna be so sick of VWAP by then. Come on. Fraser says never, will never be tired of VWAP. I don't blame you. I don't think I'll ever be tired either. So here we go. Now I got 2 this time. Now I can take partial profits and hold on to a runner in an XFA. All right, I'll take 1 off here. Oh, you bastard. You guys saw that, didn't you? I might have to get out of this one at break even because I don't know if that's going to work a 4th time. It either goes or it doesn't at this point because we can get a recovery and I don't want to be stuck short 2 minis at the bottom. So oh phooey. not go the way I wanted it to go. Feel like we might be going up. Yes. I have that going for me, I guess. Risk management. Would have, I'd be up a lot of money if I would have just. $68. Not flattening out a little bit. Well, let's see what gold's doing. Gold is having some volatility, I think. So let's look at this. Trading in this balance area. Don't we want to short it? God, I love shorting things. If I could just short everything, I would. Think we get the return of value here. Maybe take it to monthly upper lower band here. Break above 750. Well, that worked well. Take it to what? Keep going. 68. Take one here. See if we can get a runner. Monthly band. I'll take it. That went well. $87. Well, I mean, this is monthly band right here. Grabbed another one short. What a break even there. Ah, you sucker. You break above, we can go to VWAP. $88. Yeah. Man. 70. 87. To VWAP. So the back test, that's upper band. That's a problem. And it took me out of my short too. Let me see here. What do I want to do? Do I want to try and add right here? I think I will. Okay, this has got to hold. Hopefully it doesn't dump. So I'm up 2 at 62. So that's a return to value back test long. See if it holds. It can push it through upper band. Nope. We got ourselves a pinch between the two. Weekly lower band and monthly lower band. And I had a short from that up. Oh, wait. Wait, nope. What's happening here? That's it. Back down she goes. Man, that sucks too, because I was short there. Really annoying. I didn't stop out yet. I still have it. For better or for worse. So annoyed because I was short there. How's everybody else doing? Was doing well. I nailed that short too. Fucked it up. I had this short right here. I had two short. It came and stopped me out, and then I decided to flip long. Screwed everything up. My whole read was perfect. Spot on. Well, the good time, I mean, the first time I got stopped out at break, most of my stop outs were break even. Gold's getting ready to make new highs here. Crazy. I feel there's been a shift in the sentiment of the market. Who agrees? Weekly lower band touch. Bix certainly agrees. What's interesting is everything's selling off but oil. I mean, gold. Oil's selling off, Bitcoin's selling off, gold's going parabolic. It's held twice there. That weekly lower band, that's interesting. Good evening, Andy. I don't remember, Chuck, but likely. Sounds like something I would say. right, back to lower band here. See if we can catch the long again. This 60, this 50 level, it's had trouble with. So we got to break above 50. Then we got monthly band, monthly lower band in the way. Then we can get up to VWAP. Let's see. Oh yeah, Lago. This is like, but you can catch some nice moves if you're right. You know, it's a lot harder to get good prices, but it moves so much slower. We had a big reversal on Microsoft here, Logger. I don't know if you took that trade. It's trading below all the VWAPs again. Slow testing. You is funny, Chuck. Nice cap, Daddy. You passed. Now we got to get paid. Time to get paid. Oh, nice Logger. All right, Andy. Like to see you get paid. That's going to be a big win. Big win. Might be the first inner circle payout. It's hard to say here. We're kind of pinched between the monthly lower band and the weekly lower band. So it's still a buy down here. There was a short up here. So this is still a buy zone unless it cracks. It's been behaving pretty nicely. You can try and get the return value long if we break back above 750. But it seems weak. Can't make up its mind. JP, I hear you. I hear you, man. Maddening. Maddening. I had like 3 shorts. I got stopped out break even on every single one of them. Sure looks like lower. Sure feels like lower. Feels like once it dumps, it's going to really dump. Unless they rip it right out of here. Which is also possible. This is value area low right here. Shorts are salivating right here. Pain trade is probably up. This would be I would say this is a B plus long here. We have weekly lower band, and we have value area low and the distribution we formed down here. Market is not happy. Got to be some absorption here. Got to be. Let's pull up the delta. Damn, it's 7:41 already. Crazy. Um, I don't know if I would call this. It's definitely some absorption. I wouldn't call it crazy absorption, but there's some absorption. Buyers definitely stepping in here. We break above this, I might be interested in the long. But as of right now, we're still just kind of rejecting here. We got to trade above 750. It keeps selling at that lower band. If you see on the delta, as soon as we get to it, they hit it with sells. See if the buyers can overtake it. So this is no, this is not 9:30. This is like from around here somewhere. I kind of want to see like this right here. Maybe more. Buyers are trying, man. Got to give it to the buyers. They're trying. Yeah, but we're between two higher time frame levels though. So, I don't think there's any information we have right here other than, definitely bearish flow. We're holding below the lower band pretty tightly. This is an anomaly. Retested monthly lower, sold off, rejected. So I would say sellers have control. If we can reclaim lower band and then retest, we have VWAP and upper band, we might test it again. But I think the bear case is strong still. So we got to see a reclaim here above 750, then monthly band. All right, so this is a key level right here, up to 60. Okay, we'll look long. Don't poop out here. Come on, keep going. Let's get the view at. VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. Yeah, it's a problem. We've definitely formed a bit of a distribution down here, and that was the high of it. So yeah, I see what you're. See if the longs can step in and keep it going, defend it, or we go right back. We're kind of like the point of control right here. Back down to the bottom. See if we get continuation. This is the point of control right here. Smushed. Smushed. My CL Mini, I'm down like $1,000 on that position, Jake. I'm debating whether I want to cut it or not. I had some good trades on gold in that same account that offset it a little bit, but overall, it's a loser so far. Well, the sellers crushed that whole bullish move. Sellers are in control of the house here. So unless there's a big buyer scooping up all this, getting ready to squeeze them out, we got to watch for the break of 720. There's just no strength. Monday's low. What, tonight? Or just in general? There's definitely some bid propping going on here. For sure. Price is going up on air. The cookies were fuego. In fact, if I didn't have so much to do tonight, we still have Inner Circle in about 8 minutes. I was going to have some cookies and ice cream, but might have to pass on that tonight. Maybe another night. Still might get a VWAP touch here. What do you guys think? $73. This is like 69. $74. All right, Corey, enjoy the gym. Ginger molasses cookies. Hell yeah. $4.50. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off here in a minute. We're slowly grinding up. I'd like to see if we get back to VWAP. Okay. All right, Inner Circle. Frazier, have a good night. 43.92. I can't believe it. No, what did you say about it? All right, guys, I gotta we're having an inner circle class, so I gotta run. But thanks for joining us tonight's stream. 500 bucks in profits in the XFA. Not a bad night. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We will be 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See everybody there.